Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you a stitch combination that can be perfectly used for the scarf. So this is the right and the wrong side. The pattern itself is beginner friendly because it has only knit and purl stitches. For this tutorial you will need to cast on the number that is multiple of 12. Here 12 plus 3 extra stitches and plus 2 selvage stitches at the beginning and at the end. So in total for this scarf I casted on 29 stitches. And let's get started. I'm using 5 mm knitting needles and medium weight yarn. Slip the first stitch and knit all stitches. We are going to start with garter stitch line. So garter stitch means we are going to knit on the right side and on the wrong side. So slip the first stitch and knit all stitches across. And the last stitch we will always purl it. Turn. Row number 2 we are going to repeat the first row, slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches. And purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. And now we are going to repeat the pattern. Row number 3, 4, 5, 6 and even 7 we are going to knit all stitches as we did for the previous 2 rows. And I will see you on the wrong side. Here I am. So this is the right side and we have knitted 7 rows. Turn on the wrong side, slip the first stitch. Now knit 4, purl 7, and knit 1. And these 12 stitches we are going to repeat as many times as needed. Knit 4, purl 7, and knit 1. At the end we have 3 extra stitches, knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 9, slip the first stitch, knit 3, now purl 1, knit 1, repeat 4 times, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and for the last time purl 1, knit 1, and now purl 1. So repeat last 12 stitches as many times as needed. Knit 3, now purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and one more purl 1. At the end we have 3 extra stitches, knit 3, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn row number 10, slip the first stitch, knit 3, now knit 1 below, purl 1, repeat 4 times, knit 1 below, so we knit 1 below, not in the next stitch but 1 below, purl 1, knit 1 below, purl 1, and once more knit 1 below, purl 1, and knit 1 below. And now repeat last 12 stitches as many times as needed. Knit 3, knit 1 below, purl 1, 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 and one more knit 1 below. Then knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Now we are going to repeat rows number 9 and 10 3 more times. So we did once. So rows 9 and 10 repeat 3 more times. So now 11 will be the same as row number 9. Slip the first stitch, knit 3, then purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and purl 1. So go on repeating last 12 stitches. At the end we will have knit 3. Then turn, and row number 12 will be as row number 10. Then row number 13 will be as row number 9, row number 14 as row number 10, row number 15 as row number 9, and row number 16 as row number 10. Please go on repeating. Here I am, and that's what I have. Now we start to repeat the pattern from row number 9, where we knitted the garter stitch line. Now let's measure the width of the scarf. As I said, I was using a medium weight yarn, 100% acrylic, and 5 millimeters knitting needles. The width is 16 centimeters or 6.5 inches. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video.